2025 Trends in Elegant Small Homes. Luxury minimalist decor, natural materials and earthy textures. In 2025, the world of home design embraces a captivating fusion of luxury minimalist decor with the comforting allure of natural materials and earthy textures, redefining the potential of modern small spaces. This year's trends involve transforming compact areas into luxurious retreats that blend sophistication with coziness. Picture soft, neutral color schemes that evoke calmness, harmoniously paired with sustainable furniture and multifunctional designs that enhance space efficiency while preserving a refined visual appeal. Whether you're updating your living room, bedroom, or kitchen, these trends guide you to create a home environment that's both elegant and welcoming. Central to this design philosophy is the integration of organic elements with classic materials like reclaimed wood, stone, and woven textiles, which together instill a sense of balance and peace within the home. Statement lighting plays a pivotal role in these designs, with options ranging from sculptural pendant lights to sleek floor lamps, each carefully chosen to complement the room while introducing a touch of modern flair. Minimalist interiors have evolved to emphasize well-selected accents, including artisan-crafted decor and luxurious finishes, underscoring the idea that even minute details can have a significant impact. By focusing on both functionality and beauty, these home trends foster an environment that is stress-free and creatively stimulating. Enter a realm where simplicity is synonymous with sophistication, where every item within your space not only serves a practical purpose but also contributes aesthetically. The 2025 design trends highlight space-saving furniture solutions alongside biophilic design principles, celebrating the concept of living with less while enjoying more. Whether it be a tranquil bedroom haven, an open-plan kitchen, or an intimate living room, these components interlace to form an ambience that is luxurious yet accessible. Allow your home to be a true reflection of your persona, embracing the enchantment of contemporary minimalism infused with warmth, texture, and effortless elegance. Moreover, the trend towards sustainability is more prevalent than ever, encouraging homeowners to choose eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient solutions without compromising style. In kitchen spaces, for instance, expect to see smart appliances that conserve energy, paired with sustainable countertops and cabinetry. Meanwhile, bedrooms may incorporate modular furniture that can be easily adapted or reconfigured to suit changing needs, offering both practicality and style. living areas of 2025 will not just be about visual appeal, but about creating environments that enhance well-being and cater to a mindful lifestyle. Through thoughtful design, these modern small homes prove that elegance, sustainability, and functionality can coexist beautifully, offering a new standard of living that is both aspirational and attainable.